If you are traveling within California, that would be classified as in-state travel. Under the request policy, you will be leaving the policy as state approved then book. For the request trip name field, you will be following the travel request naming convention, which is the month abbreviation, the year, and destination city and state you are traveling to. For this example, we will put August 2021, Sacramento, California. For how will you book your travel, you will have two options to select from. Outside of Concur, if you are planning to book on your own, or Concur Travel Booking, if you plan to book inside the Concur system and use the preferred travel agent. The extension of field is available if you need to link your new travel request to a submitted and approved travel request. An example of this would happen if the first travel request you submitted did not include all of the expenses that you were expected to pay, or if you need to change your travel dates. For will hotel costs exceed $275 per night, you will have the following options. NA International Travel, No excludes taxes and international travel, and Yes. If you select Yes, you will need to provide an explanation in the comments field regarding the reason for why it is exceeding over $275 per night. Note: if you select No, and after your trip, your hotel expense exceeds $275 per night, you will be required to create an amended travel request. For trip type, you can select in-state, international, or out-of-state. For this example, we will be selecting in-state. You will leave international travel reimbursements, business, or personal travel field blank, because this trip does not contain international travel. The start date and end date fields are a calendar for you to select your travel dates. Under Report Trip Purpose, you will have the following fields that you can select from: conference, field research, meeting, non-employee travel, other travel, post-UPD training, recruitment, retreat, study abroad, teaching, and training. For blanket travel, mileage, and parking, you will be using the state blanket travel policy. Note: if you are attending a virtual conference or training, a travel request is not required. For traveler user type, you will leave the field as is. The purpose field is a comment box where you can provide information regarding the reason for your trip. Include as much information as possible. The main destination city field is where you can add the main destination city for your trip. You will also need to select the state you are traveling to. You can use the Additional Cities and States or Cities and Countries Traveled to field to add additional locations that you'll be traveling to during your trip. You will leave regions traveling to as other not listed because this travel request does not include international travel. If you are taking personal travel during your trip, select Yes and put a number of personal days in the Number of Personal Day field. You will also need to provide information of when and where you will be taking personal travel. Use the Personal Dates and Locations field. Note: if you selected Yes for taking personal travel but did not complete the fields for number of personal days and dates and locations, you will be required to create an amended travel request. Division and department ID will automatically be filled out based on the division and department you report to. For the fund field, you will need to type in the fund that you will be using. If you are unsure of the fund, talk to your budget coordinator for more information. You can also fill out the class and programs field if needed. Use the comment box to provide any additional information regarding your trip. When you are ready, click on the Create button.